South of Maryville, Tennessee, we introduce you to your next home and property. It's straight out of a picture book. This is 3131 6 Mile Road. This over 16-acre farm looks out on a panoramic view of the Chilhowee Mountains, replete with gently sloping acres of pasture, a picturesque creek, and a very nice pond on the eastern property. Centering this farm is a log home of 3 bedrooms and 3 baths. It's been located for not only added privacy, but from here you'll be taking in the best views around. Step inside. The main level features tongue and groove woodwork on the ceiling and plenty of hardwood flooring. This spacious den offers the first of 2 fireplaces. This eat-in kitchen has been updated, featuring state-of-the-art appliances throughout. You'll find exceptional cabinet storage above and below the solid surface countertops, with extra seating at the counter area. Directly off the kitchen, this cozy sunroom. Talk about spacious! The master bedroom offers exceptional room and comfort, as well as your second fireplace, tremendous closet space, and a luxurious bath. Downstairs, a full basement awaits your finishing touches. 3131 6 Mile Road in Maryville, Tennessee is a working horse farm featuring many barns and stables in one of the most idyllic locations you could find. Schedule your private tour now. Call the Blevins Group of Realty Executives Associates direct at 865-999-HOME.